So let's have a quick look in all the stocks that we are looking interesting for the week of 16th. So the first stock which comes in mind is आरती इंडस्ट्री. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये 600 के लेवल को ब्रीच करके अभी और भी नीचे खिसक सकती है. दिस कैन गो टुवर्ड्स द लेवल्स ऑफ 550. Alkem is also one of the stocks जहाँ पे बहुत दिनों से वो यहाँ पे is taking support around about 3000. So going forward we are going to track. If it's able to give a closing above 3100, then we can expect some quick trade. Bank of Baroda is the next one, and one thing Bank of Baroda is the next one, and here also we can see this is looking really good, especially if it gives a closing above the levels of 190, which is near to its 52-week high, and then theoretically there can be a good trade momentum. DELTACORP की रिजल्ट आने वाली है 17th of दो दिन के बाद, and before that it seems like it's trying to get some support over here, and going forward, as you can see, this is a clear levels of 220 is really a hard resistance, and right now is trading around about 212. So that would be also another interesting stuff. Gujarat Gas, it had a very good fall, and from there it was just trying to recoup, but now I think going forward there will be a huge sell-off which can come off, and अगर ये 450 levels को hold नहीं कर पाई, so there can be more on a closing basis, then there can be a more downfall towards the levels of 400. So this will be a good swing trade. NMDC, so there was a gap at 130 which we discussed on this particular day, and so that got filled and it gave a closing above 130. We have to see if it is able to hold the levels of 130 for the next coming days. TATACOMM, ये एक टिपिकल ऐसी ही स्ट्रक्चर बनती है जब भी TATACOMM में एक बड़ी मूव आती है, उसके बाद एक अच्छी ब्रेकडाउन भी आती है, एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड वी हैव टू हैव अ ट्रैक दैट हाउ इट बिहेव्स स्पेशली ऑन मंडे. गोइंग फॉरवर्ड उसके लिए अभी सपोर्ट इज टुवर्ड्स द लेवल्स ऑफ 1320, and it's around about at 1370s 1380 right now. So ये भी एक बहुत अच्छी ट्रेड निकल के आ सकती है, and it seems like at the end of the day there are some positions which have been created over here, and especially 1400 is definitely one of the very strong resistances. TCS I think 1 or 2 days में इसमें भी एक बहुत अच्छी डाउनफॉल आ सकती है, provided that it's going for ex dividend, and going forward TCS के लिए 3000 is always a good SIP level which I have used to sip multiple times in the past, और ये मैं पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ. और UBL is the last one which we want to see, and going forward अगर ये 1620 levels या 1600 levels ये यहाँ पे उसको हमेशा ही एक पुल बैक यहाँ पे मिली है, सपोर्ट मिली है, एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड अगर ये 1600 को होल्ड कर सकती है तो देन इट्स गुड. एल्स 1580 आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज वंस अ ट्रेड, सो इट वाज ऑलवेज टेकिंग अ सपोर्ट अराउंड अबाउट 1580, बट दैट वाज फ्यू इयर्स बैक. सो जो भी है UBL is definitely one of the stocks which will be in, especially on this particular day. You can see there was a huge breakdown, so we were very able to take some 40 points trade, क्योंकि ये 1645 में खुली थी और हम लोग 1615 पे हम लोग क्लोज कर दिए थे, because we knew 1620 is going to act like a strong support, and that's what happened. It bounced back from the levels of 1610. So thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to give you all the stocks which are in my radar for this particular Monday and Tuesday. Bye bye.